Google has finally unveiled one of its music streaming service, YouTube Music in India. YouTube has been the home for official release of songs, albums, as well as thousands of playlists and a vast variety of remix, covers, live performance and more. Now going to the application, after you log in with Google account, you will be asked to select language. And to personalize the experience, Google asks you to pick some artists you like, similar to how you personalize the experience on Spotify, JioSaavn or any other top music streaming application. YouTube has started building a catalog of originals. Apart from the originals, YouTube Music subscribers get access to official songs, singles, live performance and remix and many other categories. The hot list section shows you the latest and trending content. Google claims the application has thousands of playlists across genre, mood and activity. Just like Apple Music, you can also play music saved on your device in the YouTube Music application. Moving on, we have a search option at the top of the application where you can search for your song, and this is how the interface looks like, where you can tap on the three dots and download music, share it and do lots of things. Below you can find the queue of the songs where you can rearrange the music, shuffle and repeat the songs. These are the settings you will find in the YouTube Music application. These are downloads, stream via Wi-Fi only, limit mobile data usage, captions, double tap to seek and few other options which you can try it yourself. YouTube Premium is available for ₹99 per month and you get 3-month free subscription. And for comparison, Spotify is available for ₹119 per month under the subscription model, though one should note that ad-supported Spotify is objectively a better music streaming app compared to Google's offering. Other services like JioSaavn, Gaana, Wynk are available at ₹99 per month, while Amazon Music is available as a part of Amazon Prime subscription. Even though YouTube Music, by the virtue of the content that it provides, music videos, live concert and cover songs, is unique in India, it also competes with a host of other music streaming services including Google's very own Google Play Music. It also competes with Apple Music, Amazon Prime Music, Gaana, Spotify and JioSaavn among others. As you can see, you will get these many features for ₹99 and also the 3-month subscription, as I said earlier, 3-month free subscription and all these features. For now, if you want, you can try the free subscription. And that is it guys for today's video. So if you have liked this video, then please hit the subscribe and also hit the thumbs up button. And I am Satej and see you in another video.